Hello everyone, myself Prerna Subedar. I am going to tell you about Kala topic today. Kala, which is one among the Navakaran Dravya. Kala is a Dravya which is internal. It is Anadi. It is Ananta. अतीतादि व्यवहार हेतु कालः स चैको विभुनृत्यच means Kal is the cause for expressions like past, present, and future. It is single entity, all pervading and eternal. For a girl, past is her thinking about the time when she will become a doctor. Present is sitting in room and studying. Future is the she will become a doctor and fulfill that dream. कलनात् सर्वभूतानां स कालः परिकीर्तितः. That which accounts for all the entities in the universe is called a Kala. स सूक्ष्मपि कलानां न लीयते इति कालः. That which does not pause for even a minute moment is called a Kala. कालयति मृत्यु समीपं नयति वा कालः. The entity that leads the Karyadravya to Mrityu or destruction is called a Kala. Eating regularly is the best way to achieve health from a healthy perspective. 2 meals in a day is acceptable. It is said that main food should be taken only 2 times. And Akala Bhojan causes ajirna, indigestion. Just like food, sleep also has a fixed time. Nighttime sleep is said to be pathya, life-giving, and daytime sleep is to be apathya, disorderly, like divaswapna causes kapha vruddhi. 30 minutes exercise beneficial for healthy person, which can increase cardiovascular fitness, strengthen bones, reduce excess body fat, and boost muscle power. It can also reduce your risk of developing heart diseases, diabetes, and Ativayam causes Vata Vruddhi and leads to back pain, shoulder pain, joint pain, hand pain, ankle pain. Due to some lifestyle changes, there are number of health issues or lifestyle diseases in young generation like depression, traumatic or stressful events, the death or loss of loved one, a difficult relationship or financial problems, blood relatives with history of depression, bipolar disorder, alcoholism or suicide can cause depression. Heart attack. Coronary artery disease is the main cause of heart attack. A less common cause is severe spasm or sudden contraction of a coronary artery that can stop blood flow to heart muscle. Common cold. Rhinoviruses are the most common cause. A cold virus enters the body through the mouth, eyes, or nose. The virus can spread by droplets in the air when someone who is sick coughs, sneezes, or talks. Headache. Emotional such as stress, depression, or anxiety. Medical such as migraine or high blood pressure. Physical such as injury. Environmental such as weather causes headache. Timely collection of remedies, processing, preserving, manufacturing, usage give correct result. Like herbal powders up to 6 months, then expire. Because once after you open the jar of an herbal product, the product is exposed to air, moisture, sunlight, etc. This speeds up the degradation of herbal product, shortening its shelf life, etc. Mineral medicines, Ghruta preparations are the older the best. Ghee improves with time and its healing properties become more potent as it ages. Old ghee has various uses in diseased such as tension, disorders of head, ear, and eye. Puranagrita useful for treatment of several disorders such as intoxication, fainting, malaria diseases of the head, eyes, ear, certain diseases related to the female reproductive system. Kala applicable in pregnancy purpose. In first month, the baby is developing the structures that will eventually form their face and neck. The heart and blood vessels continue to develop and the lungs, stomach and liver starts to develop. In second month, the baby is now a little over half an inch in size. Eyelids and ears are forming, and we can see the tip of a nose. The arms and legs are well formed. The fingers and toes grow longer and more distinct. In third month, the baby measures about 2 inches and starts to make its own movements. Start to feel the top of uterus above your pubic bone. Doctor may hear baby's heartbeat with special instruments. The sex organs of baby should start to become clear. In fourth month, the baby now measures about 4.3 to 4.5 inches and weight about 3.5 ounces. The baby's eyes can blink and the heart blood vessels are fully formed. In fifth month, the baby weighs about 10 ounces and is a little more than 6 inches long. The baby can suck a thumb, yawn, stretch and make faces. In sixth month, the baby weighs about 1.4 pounds now and responds to sounds by moving or increasing their pulse. Inner ear fully developed, the baby may be able to sense being upside down in womb. In seventh month, baby weighs about 2 pounds 6 ounces and changes position after at this point in pregnancy. Baby weighs almost 4 pounds and is moving around often. The baby's skin has fewer wrinkles as a layer of the starts to form under the skin. In 9 months, on average, a baby at this stage is about 18.5 inches and weight closes to 6 pounds. The brain has been developing rapidly, lungs are nearly fully developed, the head is usually positioned down in the pelvis, and then baby is ready to see the world.